These holiday projects are so fun to make, and they are so fun to give. The possibilities are endless when it comes to customizing holiday stockings with our Martha Stewart stencils, available only at Michael's. So I'm going to block off the car a little bit so I don't get into the red with my brush, and then we're using the Martha multi-surface paint to stencil that. You can also put an initial, and this is for my friend Ethan. So Ethan gets a personalized stocking with a very pretty initial on the top. Now we take this off. Oh, it looks so cute. And this is what the stocking will look like. Cute, right? Now, wouldn't you love to get a gift card holder like this? And when you open it up, a Michael's gift card inside. Well, I'll show you how to make this using the Cricut. Go to Cricut Design Space, click Make It, and load paper into the Martha Stewart Cricut Explore Air 2. Follow prompts to load the scoring tool and the pen into the Cricut. Repeat the process with remaining paper colors. This is what comes out, and we're just going to pull up the negative. When you want to get something off this sticky sheet, just bend it a little bit and it does release very nicely. And another very nice thing about the Cricut is that the score lines where you're going to fold are scored by the Cricut. So easy to fold right on the pre-scored lines. And now we are going to get our design. There's our gift card holder, and here is our reindeer. And we have our dove. I cannot believe the intricacy of what the Cricut can do. So we have our little card holder, and these are going to be held in place with glue dots. Here's your bone folder. Put your Michael's gift card right inside. Then on the exterior, put our most beautiful paper cutout. Because the design is so fine, use a glue pen like this. You just want this to stay securely in place. Let it dry, fold it up, and using a little glue dot, put your little bird right here. And there's the nicest gift card I ever made. Nothing is more thoughtful than a handmade holiday gift.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.